What's up, people? This is Brewing Daddy. We are finishing up our blueberry wine. We're going to be transferring it from our bucket into our carboy. So first thing we got to do is get everything sanitized. Right now inside of our bucket we have our cane, we have our hose that's been soaking, and we also have our filler, which we're not going to probably need. We're going to be completing our second stage of our blueberry wine. We've already sanitized our cane, our racking cane, and our hose, and also our airlock and our carboy. And they're air drying right now. We got our bucket fermenter here with everything in it, and actually we're going to go ahead and remove the airlock and the lid, and we're going to remove this bag with the fruit in it. Smells like wine. So what we want to do is we want to get all the liquid out of this bag. So we'll just squeeze it until we get everything drained out. In our fermentation process, it actually stopped. We're 7 days out and it stopped bubbling a couple days ago. So we're going to go ahead and get us right. And I think we got most of the juice out of that. There's not much left. Of course, there'll be some more fermentation, so we're just going to set that off to the side, and we'll set our lid off to the side. We're going to return this on top of our bucket here so we have some height. Alright, so we got our siphon going. It took some time. There was a little struggle, but we did finally get it going. So we're going to transfer everything over into our jug here, and then we'll put our lid and airlock on it. We'll try to get as much in here as we can. We didn't have too much left, just had a little bit left there. Not a whole lot. Alright, so we'll get our airlock and get our lid, which is inside the bucket. And we got it filled up about halfway with solution. So we're set, we're ready to go. We'll rack this again in a few weeks, or actually probably in more like a month. We'll rack it into another container and then probably rack it back into this it's going to continue to ferment. It's not 100% all the way done with fermenting, so it will continue. There's not a whole lot left in the bottom of the bucket as far as residue, but it smells like blueberries. It smells like alcohol, and it tastes like wine. I got some in my mouth. Probably not the most, probably not the best way of siphoning it, but we got it done. But there you go. So blueberry wine, we'll let that sit for about a month or so, maybe a little bit longer, 2 months. We'll rack it again. We'll keep racking it until we get it clear, and then we'll have us a nice wine that we can bottle up. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, check out brewingdaddy.com, and don't forget to visit More Beer, our sponsor. We're going to be brewing up their stuff once we return from our summer break. Morebeer.com. We'd like to know what you'd like us to sample for you. So if you have a chance, check out their website. Let us know what you'd like us to brew. We'll be buying up a bunch of their recipes, and we'll do any suggestion you have. Peace out, people. We'll see you next time.